Understanding PS4 default settings restoration.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we're going to discuss an important topic. What happens when you restore default settings on your PS4? This action might be necessary for various reasons, like troubleshooting issues or preparing the console for resale. Let's break it down into sections for a better understanding.
What is restoring default settings?
Restoring default settings on your PS4 is a process where your console reverts all system settings back to their factory defaults. These settings include login information, system preferences, themes, and more. It's essential to note that this does not delete user data, game data, or installed applications. It only resets your system configurations.
Why would you want to restore default settings?
There are several reasons why you might want to restore default settings on your PS4. Perhaps you're experiencing software issues that can be fixed by resetting the settings, or maybe you're planning to sell or give away your console and want to ensure that no personal preferences are left on the device. Another reason could be a forgotten system password, which can be resolved by resetting the settings.
How do you restore default settings?
Restoring default settings on your PS4 is a straightforward process. 1. Navigate to Settings on your PS4 home screen. 2. Scroll down and select Initialization. 3. Choose Restore Default Settings. 4. You will see a list of settings that will be restored. Review this list and proceed by selecting Yes. 5. You'll be prompted to enter your PS4 passcode if one is set. 6. Finally, select Yes again to begin the restoration process. The PS4 will restart, and upon reboot, all system settings will be restored to their original state. Remember, this process does not delete any of your saved data or installed applications. So, there you have it. When you restore default settings on your PS4, it basically resets your system settings back to how they were when the console left the factory. It's a useful step in troubleshooting, preparation for resale, or even simply to start fresh with your settings. Remember, it won't delete your games, applications, or save data. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and happy gaming!